Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 18% and its application exercise 18B question number 9, right? So what have we got here? Take the correct option. So this is an MCQ question. We have first one, an increase from 1 to 3 is what percent of the increase, right? So what most of you will basically do is that you'll say that 2 has been increased. Okay, so 2 upon, and from 1 it has been increased, so 2 upon 1 into 2, 100, that will give you the percent, that will be 200%, right? But that is wrong. I'll tell you why. See, we know that the increase here, okay, so the increase becomes what? 3 minus 1, so 2 has been increased, fine, 2 has been increased. Now this is asking what is this 2 of the increase. The increase is 3, right? This is not asking what is this 2 increase percent, right? Basically we don't have to find the increase percent here of the actual value. We have to find the increase percent of the increased value here, fine. So you see here the increased value, right? So increased value or the new value, that will be 3. Why 3? Because 2 has an increase in what? 1. So this becomes 3. What most of you will do is you will find the increase percent on the actual value, that is 1. You will find on the this one, right? But what we have to do is, it is asking here is what percent of the increased. So is what percent of the increased value, okay, increased value, that is what? 3. After increasing we get 3 only, right? So we have to find the increase on this 3, fine. So now you see here that the increase was 2, the increased value that we have is 3, and finding percentage, so multiply by 100, right? Now let's solve this up. So you get 200 upon 3, fine. So this becomes what? See here, 6, again 2 comes there, so 66.66, fine. This becomes your answer. Now you see here in the options we don't have it, but we have 66.7%, right? So you see here 0.66 is given, right? So we will round this off to the nearest what? 10th. Okay, nearest 10th. So this becomes 6 is there, so add 1 to 6, so 7, and rest becomes 0. So 66.70 or 66.7, that's the same thing, fine. So the answer becomes what? A, 66.7. The increase was 2 and we have to find this increase is what percent of the increased value. Increased value was 3, fine. So 2 upon 3 into 100, and then you solve it accordingly, okay? And don't forget to round this off, because that will give you the correct answer, fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.